Warm greetings. Welcome back to our channel. In this session, we are going to learn about present continuous tense. We have already shared simple present tense in our playlist. If you would like to refer to simple present tense, kindly check the playlist. Fine. The present continuous tense, which is also known as the present progressive tense. It is mainly used to describe actions that are happening right now or around the current time period. It highlights an action that is in progress at the moment of speaking. Now, we will look into the detailed usage of the present continuous tense. Actions happening at the moment of speaking. Actions happening now. So, this present continuous tense is mostly used to describe actions taking place right now at the exact moment of speaking or writing. For example, I'm eating lunch. She is writing a letter. They are playing soccer in the park. He is cooking dinner. We are watching a movie. These examples emphasize immediacy and the ongoing nature of the action. The second usage is it is meant for describing temporary or ongoing actions. The actions which are not habitual. For example, he is learning to play the guitar. She is trying a new recipe today. I am taking a yoga class this week. We are visiting our grandparents for the weekend. She is playing soccer with her friends today. Usually this contrasts with the simple present tense, which is used for permanent or habitual situations. The next one is, it will be used for discussing future plans, the near future intentions. It expresses future arrangements, especially when they are scheduled or planned in advance. It is often used with time expressions like tomorrow, next week, tonight, etc. I am meeting my friend at 4 p.m. They are flying to Paris next week. She is attending a conference on Friday. He is going to the dentist in the afternoon. We are watching a play at the theater this evening. So, this usage brings a sense of certainty and preparation. The next one is repeated actions expressing irritation or annoyance. It is usually used with verbs such as always, constantly, forever. Like, he is always interrupting me. You are constantly forgetting your homework. They are forever arguing about politics. So, the tone and the context are key elements here. They reflect the speaker's emotional response rather than objective repetition. The present continuous tense is also used to describe gradual changes or trends Actions are states that are evolving or progressing over time. Like, the climate is getting warmer each day. Her English is improving steadily. More people are choosing electric cars nowadays. So it often refers to societal, environmental, or personal development contexts. Finally, we can see it in storytelling or live commentary. The present continuous tense may describe an action in progress that provides background for the main action. For examples, the children are playing while their mother is cooking. The wind is howling as the hero steps into the haunted house. This usage adds immediacy and drama, often seen in live broadcasts or descriptive. So now let's observe the structure of present continuous tense or the formation of present continuous tense. Initially, we will see about positive form. Let's observe these examples. I am cooking dinner. She is playing tennis now. The verbs are am cooking, is playing. So, present continuous tense used to be in the combination of an auxiliary verb and a main verb with ing. For present tense, we are using the auxiliary verbs am, is, are. Next, we are moving to negative form. For negative form, we are adding not between the auxiliary verb and the ing verb. Like, she isn't sleeping. She is not sleeping. They aren't watching TV. They are not watching TV. Finally, question form or interrogation form. So, for making it a question structure, we have to move the auxiliary verb to the beginning of the sentence and the punctuation at the end of the sentence used to be a question mark. Is she cooking? Are you studying for the test? So, here the verbs are is cooking or studying. We are just moving the auxiliary verb of is cooking to the beginning and cooking as the main verb. Finally, understanding the present continuous tense is essential for expressing actions in progress, temporary situations, and near future plans with clarity and precision. So while you continue practicing, focus on recognizing contextual cues and applying the correct structure. Keep engaging with the spoken and the written English around you. It's the best way to internalize these forms naturally. Thank you for joining this session. Stay curious and keep learning.